Hi everyone, welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. I'm Amanda and today we're doing a review of this gorgeous shoe by Pleaser. It's called Day and Night, basically because you can wear it day or night. And I just want to talk about the box it comes in. This is just beautiful. It's got a bit of a silver finish here and some really nice detailing. And then the shoe itself is a 5¼ inch heel. Oh my gosh, these are stunning. So this is a real suede with rhinestones. They're a beautiful, high quality, very shiny rhinestone with a hidden platform under here. So it makes it a little bit easier to wear during the day and night for a long period of time. Now with the sizing, I've gone to a size 8 because the 7 is quite tight. So I would recommend possibly going up a size in this shoe. And this is the other one. So it's a white suede with gorgeous rhinestones all over it, down the heel as well. The heel's actually got even more rhinestones, whereas on the suede there's gaps, so you can see the suede. They come really well packaged. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling to get everything apart. And then always with Pleaser shoes, they come individually wrapped with these nice little mesh bags. And then this one here for traveling and a bit of foam that you can put in the middle to separate the shoes so they won't get damaged, especially when they've got all those beautiful rhinestones on there. You don't want them getting wrecked at all. So again guys, I've gone for a size 8 in these because the 7 was a little tight. And these are the peep toes, so you get a little bit of your toe showing at the front. These would be perfect for a wedding or a ball or a gala dinner, anything like that. They're really, really shiny and beautiful. So let's go for a bit of a walk in them, guys. So it's a 5½ inch heel, 5¼ They're not too high. They're really easy to walk in. You can feel like you'll be able to wear them all day. And then the front has that nice little peep toe at it as well. And then you have a little seat so you can see them from the side. I love all the rhinestones down the heel here. It's really sparkly, draws a lot of attention to it, and it's just that really high-end quality shoe that Pleaser makes. So let's take these outside and you can see them how shiny they will be in the light, and they'll kind of reflect onto the ground as well. And if you guys are loving these videos, make sure you click like and subscribe so you never miss any videos we put up, and click on the notification bell as well so when they come up you'll see them straight away. Alright, let's go outside. So as you can see, the sunlight really catches them, and the light during the night time will catch them as well, and just extra glittery and shiny. I love the rhinestones on the white suede. It's real suede, so they are a beautiful quality shoe. Let's go for a little walk. So we're at the Shoes of Hollywood store in Brisbane. If you're in the area, come and check it out. I might be here doing some videos, you never know. And then you can see the whole range that we have as well. So the 5½ inch heel is really easy to walk in, and I love how there's the peep at the front, because I think it gives you more room with your feet. Sometimes I find that closed toe heels, I can't wear them for that long because they start hurting my feet, but I really like the open toe. Like, makes it really nice, a bit more air gets through. I hope you guys could see how glittery they are in the sunlight. It really catches them as I'm walking. Let's head back inside. What did you think? Did you like that? Make sure you mention in the comments if you like how they look, if there's any other shoes you'd like to see. These ones do come in a closed toe, which I've done before, and they come in a goldy kind of colour. So this was the Pleaser day and night. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.